Working together.
It's a lot better, isn't it? You want to go from underneath?
Watch the wrist, Ed.
Keep it nice and tight. You're coming all the way out.
That just allows us to fold them over.
I don't care which side you work on, we get the other one out of the way. And then it's always a crapshoot as to where you start cutting. And typically, I never cut back far enough the first time,
Okay.
because I'm chicken,
Yeah,
Well,
understood.
that's wise.
okay? Just let the boat be your guide.
And Tony's fingers.
It screams. I think we'll get rid of it when you pull down.
All right.
So we gotta come along the gunnel, I think, first, pull down.
Nice.
We're gonna take these out. 'Cause I don't think, we need to take those out. So I got a screwdriver to do that with. That little one there, I've not done that this way before. I've always come in from the outside.
Oh,
Here.
a smaller driver or something.
Yeah.
Really set.
Looks like you just got to be more of a man.
Oh, why, did you get him out?
You just got one, yeah.
Bring the pliers, though. If we got pliers over there,
There was
I
a
don't know.
He's putting stuff away.
Look at all the cleats on this side.
We can steam these. I think we can get those out. But if they were bigger, you'd have to go back and pull sabers both ways and then spread these wrinkles out so they'd be more small wrinkles. And then they'll shrink.
And then you could steam them once you got rid of the big ones.
Yeah.
Careful what you say. That's right.
Working back underneath what we got here too.
I guess you wanna get over the edge, don't you?
How thick is that supposed to be?
Oh, just wet.
You gotta let it tack, man.
Yeah.
Don't get too excited. How you do it?
Yeah, we need a gun.
Heat gun?
I got it all.
No, the staple gun
Oh, stable.
for openers.
That's
There
pretty.
it is. Okay. Hit me. You can go both, oh, no. Look at
That didn't wrinkle up too bad. Didn't wrinkle up at all. Need something out on the edge.
So did you want to put the heat gun on it, or just put the other layer of glue?
Well, if it weren't tight, I would gun it. I'd put heat to it, but it's tight.
So now we're just gonna cover it with another layer of glue?
We'll have to use the heat on it.
Yeah, might have get carpal tunnel.
Does that seal to it? Does that?
Yeah, why the second layer?
What year did we get that machine shop from you?
2 years ago?
I'm the one with the question.
Well, it's been 2 winters, so yeah,
Would be
22.
21, 22?
A metal fab machine shop?
Yeah.
So are we?
We should get wide enough.
Yeah.
Paul's a pro now, man. He's on it. I don't need no stinking pencil lines.
Got it. That was nailed.
Well, he was scared once he found out that he might fail this course.
That's right.
Scared straight.
That evaluation you did of it.
Whoa, Jesus. Yeah,
That's why I didn't pull.
okay. The gun.
I was pulling. You didn't think I was.
You got enough
Give me the gun.
length?
Yeah. Okay, take her down.
Get a little side down.
Pull. I want this to disappear. Pulling. Jesus, you're a candy house.
Thought you were strong, man.
So you folded over that.
Can you
Yeah,
do it
but
with the brush?
You folded the. See what I'm saying? You.
What?
Yeah.
Whoever trimmed that didn't trim
Well, I'll tell you, the guy who trimmed it did the best job going. It was.
it real long. All right, we got there.
It's amazing how that heat gun is.
If you're not gonna use the gun, I will.
Oh, that's so cool.
A little soft there. I don't know what to do about it. If we had trimmed this at an angle like this, it would have helped that on time. Okay? Then I took this to some plywood. Then on that plywood, we'll mount blocks,
Okay, bend it to those blocks.
and we'll bend it to the blocks. Now, it would be nice if everything was square, but there's nothing square in a boat. So you got the rake of the transom, so this has got to be bent at an angle, and this has got to be bent at an angle. So I'm thinking that we'll make our blocks, we'll shape our blocks out here to get that twist.
And then just clamp it to it?
Yeah.
I see what you mean, that's vertical, and this is bent in at the angle of the
Yeah, it's got a
transom.
little rake to it. Mm-hmm.
And why are you doing that?
About that.
And how do you get the twist?
How do you what?
Get that twist.
Well, that's the next thing. We gotta go figure out the angle of twist
So,
in this end block over here. Now, our stock is gonna be long, we want our stock longer than we need, and we'll trim it.
right.
So we could put another block out here on the end. And I don't care about that one, because that's just tail, right? So maybe these two, we just put an angle on the face.